Okay, so we will sync one of the Google Sheets data with Dropbox here. So if I type in sync Google Sheets with Dropbox document, right? Let's see if it has any Zap available so that we can connect to that. So sync Google Sheets with Dropbox document. So we'll choose this. We will try to add one of the Google Sheets document, as you can see here, and then create one new document here which will sync this data, right? So we will continue with the account, then comes spreadsheets, then you have worksheet as well, right? So once you load these two things, you are good to go. And test the trigger, then move to Dropbox, and then we will select one of the rows. So we will start with the one, and here we will use create text file option, right? So here I will click continue, then within action I have the account, then folder, then file, name it, let's say Zapier Google Sheets, right? So we will name that, right? Then content, can add name, then can see subject, then content, all of that added. Next is we have to continue this, then test the step, right? And then we move to next part where we can publish this. Right, so here we have our Zap on, right? So I can go to Dropbox, can refresh this particular drive, right? And here we have the document that contains one of the row here, and there shouldn't be any space in between them, so that is one thing, right? So what we can do is we can manually add that if I want to, right? But we managed to sync one of the Google Sheets with Dropbox document.